Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you step by step 3 common laptop fan problems and how to repair them. As you know, the majority of laptops available in modern times contain fans which can help cool down the internal components of a laptop, such as CPU and the motherboard itself. If your laptop fan is not working, there could be numerous reasons behind the problem. While some causes are software related and can be fixed with appropriate steps taken on the software front, some are hardware related. Now let's start. Problem number 1. Overheating even when the fan is running. The problem: your laptop heats up quickly even if the fan is spinning. You might feel the keyboard getting hot or notice the system slowing down or freezing after extended use. Why it happens? Over time, dust and debris can clog the air vents and cooling system. This blocks airflow and limits the fan's ability to cool the internal components, even if the fan itself is technically working. How to fix it? Step 1. Use compressed air to blow dust out of the vents and keyboard. Step 2. If you're confident, carefully open the laptop and clean the fan and heat sinks. And step 3. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces. It can lead to overheating due to blocked airflow, potentially causing performance issues and even permanent damage. It's best to use your laptop on a hard, flat surface like a desk or table. Now, let me talk about problem number 2. Laptop fan making loud or strange noises. The problem: your fan sounds like it's grinding, buzzing, or whirring loudly even when performing light tasks. Why it happens? 1. Out-of-date drivers. 2. Dust buildup inside the fan motor. 3. Damaged fan bearings. How to fix it? 1. Update drivers. Go to your laptop manufacturer's website and install the latest fan drivers. 2. Try gently cleaning the vents and fan with compressed air. 3. Replace the fan if the noise persists. Warning: avoid using oil on laptop fans. It's typically sealed units. And now, the problem number 3. Laptop fan not spinning. The problem: your laptop heats up, but the fan doesn't start. You don't hear the usual spinning noise, and performance degrades quickly under load. Keep in mind that a non-spinning fan can cause permanent damage if ignored. Why it happens? Number 1. Faulty or disconnected fan. Number 2. Motherboard or fan controller failure. Number 3. Burnout fan motor. How to fix it? Step 1. Use built-in diagnostic tools, e.g. Dell Support Assist or HP Hardware Diagnostics, to detect hardware issues. Step 2. If the fan is not recognized or fails diagnostics, it likely needs replacement. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Share if you think this information could be useful to someone else. Comment if you have a question. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.